Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's an informative tutorial on how to convert a Python dictionary to an Excel file using the Pandas library. If you haven't installed Pandas yet, you can do so using the following command. Now, let's import the Pandas library in your Python script or Jupyter Notebook. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's create a sample dictionary that we will later convert to an Excel file. Next, convert the dictionary into a Pandas DataFrame. Now, we'll save the data frame to an Excel file. You can use the to_Excel method for this. In the above code, index equals false means that we don't want to write row indices to the Excel file. Here's the complete code example combining all the steps. That's it. You've successfully converted a Python dictionary to an Excel file using the Pandas library. You can now open the generated Excel file, output.xlsx in this example, to view the data. This approach is versatile and can be adapted to more complex dictionaries and data structures as needed. ChatGPT